Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text people on TikTok Easy Guide. Open TikTok and go straight to the inbox to see messages and requests, then tap a conversation or message button on a profile to begin. Keep your first message short, friendly, and relevant to their content. Use emojis sparingly and avoid long paragraphs so the recipient can read and respond easily on mobile. Begin with a direct compliment or reference to a recent video so your message feels personal and timely. Ask a single clear question that invites a quick reply, such as about a method or gear they used. Keep sentences short and friendly, and use one emoji to add warmth without seeming unprofessional. If they don't respond, wait before following up and avoid multiple messages in a short time. Always check privacy settings and respect creators who disable DMs or prefer comments instead, and never push past their boundaries. Avoid sharing personal information such as addresses, financial details, or identification over chat. If someone behaves abusively or sends spam, use the report and block features to protect yourself. Trust your instincts and keep conversations public or light until.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.